living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better
Hey,
days.
welcome back
Fuck me,
to my
looking in
YouTube
the
channel.
mirror,
Today
so
I'm going to
foggy,
be
but
showing you one of the fascinating topology called the star topology that is very easy to deal with,
every day,
very easy to troubleshoot. Basically, the star topology is normally is used in smaller offices, and local area network is normally used in a local area network like school, university, banks, and what have you. So this topology is very easy to troubleshoot. So I'm going to be bringing you today through this topology. So grab your pen and notepad, let's dive directly into it. So this is normally our workspace. Let me show you one quick trick. If you want to change your background of this workspace to a picture or maybe different color or something like that, you just move here and click, and you will have this image background. You can browse it. If you have an image, you can browse it. So take for example, I have an image of mine here in download, and it's take for example this. Let's use this. You see this? Once you click apply, and you will have it here. If you want to display it above, and you will have it all across here. So that is just how you can put an image at the background of your workspace. Just a secret I thought to share with you. So let's reset and get back to our normal stuff. So you close it. So now back to the actual work. So we're going to move 5 PC around our stock. That is to have 5 different pieces being connected to form our star topology. So look here, you come and choose your PC first. If you wish, you can choose your PC. So we're going to use 5 PC here to form our star topology. So we now have our 5 PC here. The next thing we're going to do is to have one hop switch router, but I prefer for us to use a switch. So you get back and click on wireless switches, and you will see this switch. You choose the first switch that has the multi-layer 24-port switch. You don't have to configure this manually. It is already up and running. So if you double click, you'll see this switch. It also has the power insertion. Everything is there. So that is what we're going to be using here in a quick drag and drop stock. So now we now have our switch, multi-layer switch, and we have our 5 PCs around it. So you can actually name your PC to whatever you want, and but I'll remain, for the sake of this video, I would like to keep it as it is, as simple as it is. So we come back and collect a specific cable because we are moving. It's not like the last video where we have to connect several switches before we form a bus or the ring topology. This is just a start, very simple. It can be done in any office. So basically these are just PC1 up to 5 different PC connected or hooked up to a router that will have an internet feed from outside coming to it. You can have multiple of them, but this is just a unique one just for a little office. So let's get to the cable. I would like to use a straight through cable. So you connect from here, use the first port to connect to this fast internet port, and make sure that all of your stock is hooked up, level 2 here. And living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us, and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. So we have our 5 PCs being hooked up nicely and uniquely to our multi-layer switch. So The next thing we're going to do now is for these PCs to communicate, we must assign an IP address so that they can be able to communicate from one point to another. So John Brown is on his desk, and these are different offices, so you can name it or different decks 1, 2, 3, or 5. So everyone is hooked up to this central device. Now the unique and better understanding of this is just very simple. To troubleshoot this network is very easy. So if there is a problem of you not receiving data from here to this place, is you have to just troubleshoot either this device is off or this is faulty. One of them ought to be faulty and it has a problem, so the single point of failure can be identified so easily, unlike of where you have merged to topology that has many different connections. But this is very easy to troubleshoot. I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot this in the next video. So now we're going to connect our different IP addresses and to this PC here. So double click and go to desktop and come to IP address. So we're going to use DHCP to see the flow of data, but we will have a gateway. It will not be max here. So if you are DHCP here, and few seconds you will see you're going to generate an IP address of 192, and just like that come to your next PC and do the same. DHCP is a dynamic host control protocol. So dynamic host control protocol will take care of this work for us. We're not going to insert our stock on a starter. We're not going to put it manually. We'll use this to have the work done. And here
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,
the advantage in this is easy to do, but there are also disadvantages. So you must remember your IP address. This IP address should be remembered because you're not doing it manually. You have to do it. This is automatic. So if you're doing it manually, you will have to put the IP address one by one and also from the default gateway.
what's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset.
So we have our 5 PCs and we have our 5 network in the IP addresses have been identified, the internet protocol have been identified. So you can now send a packet from here. For example, we grab the packet here and grab it here. See down here, we'll see successful. It means that PC1, PC2 has sent information to PC0. This is actually PC1. So from here to here, your data being received. And if you drop here too and drop here, you will see it being successful. And if you also drop to the next level here, you will see it successful. Finally, you drop here and here. You see down here, we have now sent all of our packet and all were received. So you can also do that by pinking. So you firstly identify the IP address is 29.229 and this is 163. So the IP address are different. So what we will do is come back here.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen
command
clearer.
prompt, and you
I don't
say
really think anyone can save
config,
me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's
and
no
you'll
risk
be
if
able
you
to
don't try at
see
anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in
the
the next life,
IP
to
address
be a
of this
better me.
identical
I don't
machine.
think that my head's on
This
straight.
is it.
Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong
Voila,
with me?
it's
I
not
just feel
showing
weight pushing on my chest and it
because
squeezes till I
there's no
suffocate.
default
Better
gateway
change my mindset,
to have
meditate.
automatic
It's pretty cool that I'm
configuration.
alive and have better
IP address
days.
4,
I
here
could
is
walk,
it.
see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could
So
change
the
my mind, maybe
IP V6 is
elevate.
not showing. So that is how you can know that all of the devices are connected on the network. So guys, that is it. Enjoy and keep coming back to understand this topology. Our next video, we're going to be discussing the merge topology, and we'll do our IP addresses manually. Thanks for watching. Share. Your comment is important.
Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us, and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked.